Welcome to another Health News video news release brought to you by Health News. In today's news, we look at the value of chiropractic care for chronic cervicogenic headache. A cervicogenic headache is a relatively common cause of chronic headache that originates in your neck or base of the skull, not in your brain, and is often misdiagnosed. Cervicogenic headache can mimic migraine, so it may be difficult to distinguish it from a migraine headache. Along with a throbbing head pain, some other symptoms of a cervicogenic headache may include pain on one side of your head or face, a stiff neck, pain around the eyes, pain while coughing or sneezing, and a headache with certain neck postures or movement. Here's the good news. In randomized controlled trials, spinal adjustments were observed to help patients suffering from chronic cervicogenic headache. One of the greatest benefits of chiropractic care is that it is a drug-free path to healing the body naturally. Remember, your best source for everything health is your chiropractor. Visit your chiropractor regularly and make sure your nervous system is functioning 100%. If you are watching this video on our YouTube channel, please subscribe. And if you are watching this video on our website and have not already done so, please add your name and email address to the form on this page. And that's it for today's health news.